Everyone, good afternoon, namaste, Jai Hind. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. I'm Vikas Dahiya, Quant and LRDI expert. Okay, so we will continue with the previous year questions of TISSNET, right? And that too for LR, Logical Reasoning, right? We will continue with that. Hello, everyone. ओके जल्दी से सेशन को शेयर भी कर दो, राइट? टेल योर फ्रेंड्स दैट सेशन हैज स्टार्टेड. Yes. Okay, so agenda of the session is the same. We will continue with LR questions from previous TISSNET previous year. Okay, TISSNET previous year questions. Yes, Vikas, good afternoon. Gayatri, hello. Okay, so we'll continue with that, right? We have discussed few questions yesterday. Sweetie, hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. और सेशन को शेयर कर देना जल्द, right? Importance, as I told you that right, it is a varying weightage, right? From a minimum of 4 questions in the section to as good as around 12 questions, right? In your, right, these are the questions on LR in your maths plus LR section. The section is maths plus LR, right? Where maths is also there, DI is also there, LR is also there, right? Out of those 30 questions, you have around these many questions. Yes, Shri Vishnu, hello. Okay, so we will start with this. Okay, so let's answer it. First question is on blood relation. So Pushpa, right, a very famous name. Okay, but here it is female. Pushpa is the mother. So you can understand that by name you cannot take mother, whether it is male or female. Okay, you know that in our latest movie, Pushpa is a male character. Yes, it is Bug OP. Good afternoon. चलो जल्दी से बताओगे. Pushpa is the mother of Kamla. Kamla is the sister of Dilip. Dilip is the father of Jimmy. So very simple relation. Pushpa is the mother of Kamla. Kamla is the sister of Dilip. This is brother-sister relation. Dilip is the father of Jimmy. Right? So, Jimmy's father's mother. So, who is Pushpa? Grandmother. Right? Grandmother? Yes, absolutely. Bhagopi. D is the correct answer. Ishika, very good. D is the correct answer. Yes, Shri Harsha. Gayatri. Yes, Shri Vishnu. Absolutely. So D is the correct answer. Bobby Singh. Grandmother is correct. Very good. Very good. So it was easy. So blood relation also can be asked, but they are asking easy questions in reasoning. Yes, sweetie. D is the correct answer. Let's move to the next one. So this is a question on positioning, ranking, arrangement. Okay. So here there are two statements. One is made by Ajay, one is made by Raju. ओके, जस्ट गो थ्रू इट जल्दी से। सेशन को शेयर भी करते रहना, राइट? अपने फ्रेंड्स को बता दो सेशन स्टार्ट हो गया। यस प्रिंस, डी वाज करेक्ट। ओके okay, see, Ajay is saying Prajita occupies 7th position from the top in economic test. So that means there are 6% above. Then Prajita, okay, and Raju, yes, you are correct. And Prajita also occupied 35th position from the bottom. So that means 34 must be below that. Ajay and Raju study in the same class with Prajita and N others. Find the total number of students in the class other than Prajita, Raju and Ajay. So other than, okay, just see that the question is very, okay, logical. Total are 41, it is okay, but total he is not asking. He is asking other than Prajita, Raju and Ajay. So minus 3. So 38 should be the correct answer. Right? Just see the question. Just see the question. I think you are missing this line. You are missing this line other than Prajita, Raju and Ajay. Right? So the question was very easy, but still, right? Many would make mistake. Right? Like you were making the mistake. Right? So many would make the mistake because the answer should be 38. Right? So total number of students in the class other than Prajita, Raju and Ajay, because all are in the same class, right? So it is 41 minus 3, that should be 38. Now Ishika, Shri Vishnu, Prince, now you are correct, right? Good. Okay, so careful what is asked, right? तो पूछा क्या है उस पर जरूर ध्यान रखना है. Okay, so let's move to the next one. See, if there is an easy question, right, then if you commit a mistake, okay, that will be very costly because many others would get it correct. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, the next one. Yes, and keep sharing the session. Like भी कर देना और share भी कर देना. Right? I told you share करने से आपकी probability to score more वो increase हो जाएगी. Okay. So here the letters P, Q, R, S, T, each stands for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not necessarily in that order. P is odd. Okay, so we have P, Q, R, S, T. P is odd. That means it can be 1, 3 or 5. Is neither 4 nor Q is neither 4 nor 5. So Q is not 4, not 5. Okay, R is 1. R is 1. So 1 here 1 is not possible. Right? Okay, S is either 4 or 5. So this is 4 or 5. And T is neither 2, 3 or 4. If it is not 2, 3, 4, if it is not, it has to be 5. Because 1 is already gone. So it should be 5. If this is 5, this should be 4. Because it is 4 or 5. If this is 4, right, 5 gone, so this must be 3. And this must be 2. Right? So the correct order of the digits, okay, so according to the correct order of English alphabet, so 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. 3, 2, 1, 4, 5 should be the correct answer. Right? So 3, 2, 1, 4, 5 should be the correct answer. Good. D option is the correct answer. Q is not 4. Okay. See, this question is, because it is a single question, right, can be done with the help of elimination also. Right? We have actually calculated, but it can be done with the help of elimination also. Right? See, the answer is for P, Q, R, S, T. Now read the statement. P is odd. Right? P should be odd. P is odd. Right? Correct. Q is neither 4 nor 5. Q should not be 4. So this gone, this gone. Right? Q should not be 4. R is 1. That is correct. S is either 4 or 5. That is also correct. T is neither 2, 3 or 4. T cannot be 3. Right? So this is my correct answer. You just eliminate the option and you will get that D is the only one following all the conditions. Right? Just read the condition and eliminate what is not possible. Right? This would be an easier method. Okay? So let's move to the next one. Okay? Next one. Okay? That first method that I told you, that is for LR question, right? Like arrangement and all, for multiple questions if there are. Okay, but if there is such arrangement is there, you can just eliminate. Okay, now there are 5 friends, F1 to F5. F1 and F4 are unmarried ladies and do not take part in any game. None of the ladies play chess or tennis. There is married couple in which F5 is the husband. Okay, see, if I have F1 and F4 are unmarried ladies, right? Now, if F5 is the, okay, now here it is written, no, none of the ladies plays chess or tennis, right? So F1 cannot be the answer. Okay, there is a married couple where F5 is the husband. So F5 is the husband. So F5 is male. Out of the 5 friends, one is the tennis player, one is chess player. F2 is brother of F3. Okay, F2 also is male. F1, F4 are female. F1 and F4 are female but unmarried. So F3 must be the wife of this. So F3 must be female. Right? F5 is a male member. F2 is also a male member. Right? But F2 is the brother of F3 and is neither a chess or a badminton player. So F2 is not playing chess. So only one who can play chess is F5. Right? F2 is not your chess player. Right? F2 is not a chess player. So F2 is not a chess player. Whereas F1 and F3 are females, cannot be a chess player. Okay, so the only player that can be a chess player is F5. Okay, right? Here there are 2 persons who are male. F5 is husband, F2 is brother. Right? And F1 and F4 are unmarried ladies. So F3 must be the married lady, that is F5 is the husband. Right? So because there is a married couple in this where F5 is the husband, so F3 must be the female, right? The wife. Okay, yes, A is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move to the next one and keep sharing the session. Chalo, next pe aa jao. And these are the questions from previous year TISSNET, actual questions from previous years. So that means, right, you can expect such questions. Okay, so here it is talking about the weight, right? And he is saying represent the descending order of weight. So descending order of weight. Okay, so you can either calculate or again you can eliminate also, right? Few things you can eliminate, but I would suggest that you should write also. You should try to build that. Something is R1 is weighing twice as much as R2. So R1, R2, if it is 2x, it is x, right? Now R2 is weighing 4.5 times as much as ring R3. So R3, if it is now 4.5 times is 4.5 times. Let's say this is 2y. So R2 will become 9y, 4.5 times. So this will become 18y, right? So this is 4.5 times and this is 2 times. Okay. Now R3 is weighing half as much as ring 4. So ring 4 must be 4y. So R4 will be here 4y. Okay. R4 is weighing half as much as R5. So R5 will be 8y. Okay. So that means R3 2y, R4 4y, R5 8y, R2 9y and R1 18y, right? Decreasing order of the weight. So I will start with R1, then R1, R2, R5, R1, R2, R5. C option should be the correct one. C option should be the correct one. Yes. See, in such questions, right, the order, because it is given in such order, so it looks complicated, right? A slightly. But if you start reading from the reverse, it would be very easy question, right? If the order of the statements changed, then it will become very, very easy. Okay, see if the same question you read from the last, right? Let us, ring R5 is weighing less than R1, but more than R3. Okay, leave that. Okay, you can eliminate certain thing that R5 is less than R1 but more than R3. So R1, R5, R3. So more than R3. So this is gone. R5 should be more than R3. R5 should be more than the R3. Rest all you can say. Okay. But now R4 is weighing half as much as R2 and R3 is weighing half as much as R4. Okay. So see, if R3 is weighing 1, so R4 is weighing 2 and R4 is half as much as R5. So R5 must be 4, right? R3 is half of R4, R4 is half of R5, right? Okay. And here that R2 is weighing 4.5 times as much as R3. Okay. So R2 is 4.5 times as R3, right? Is this so? So R2 will become 4.5 and R1 is double of this. R1 is 9. So this is the order, right? This is the, you can say descending order. R1, R2, R4. So this is gone. R1, R2, R5, R4, R3. This is correct. Right? Okay. So you do, anyways, you will get these values, right? Or you can just take any integer value. If you take, you will take R1 as 18, R2 as 9. Okay, but anyways, okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, next one, जल्दी से बताओ. This seems easy. Series generally उसमें easy आती है. जस्ट टेक द डिफरेंसेस. अगर कुछ और समझ नहीं आता तो पहले डिफरेंस लेके देखेंगे. 3, 9, 27. Can I say this is 81? If 81, next should be 243. 243 and 1. 2 and 3, this is 70. So D option should be the correct answer. The differences are 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 5. These are the differences. Right? So yes, Dikshit, Prince, right? 370 should be the correct answer. Okay, good VM. Okay, and these are the actual question. I am saying similar question we did yesterday also, but there the difference was, I think, powers of 5, or the numbers were written as power of 5. Power of 5 plus 1, power of 5 plus 1. So this is also similar question. Now the difference is 3 raised to power. Right? Okay, VM, Bobby Singh, Ishika, good. So let's move to the next one. Okay, again series. Okay, this is a common series, right? You can take the differences also, but if I would suggest that if you can get the series directly with the help of cubes, that is, it is 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 2, 3 cube plus 3, 4 cube plus 4, and 5 cube plus 5. Now this is 130. This has to be 68 then. That will be my correct answer. This is 2. This is 10. This is 30. Right? You can take the differences also. Wherever cube is involved, the second level difference will increase by 6. Okay. Just see, if you take the differences, right? First difference will be 8, next difference will be 20, next difference will be 38, next difference will be 62, right? You take the second level difference, it will be 12, 18 and 24. See, the second level difference is increasing by 6. Whenever cube is involved, second level difference always increase by 6. Whenever cube is involved, with that plus minus something. Okay? Yes, 68 would be the correct answer. Okay? Even if you write, I'm saying even if you write normal cubes, okay, just see. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. If you want to write the next term, right? If you don't know the cubes, just take the differences. Right? These will be the differences. Just see the second level difference. It will be 12, 18, 24, 30. It is increasing by 6. Increasing by 6, 6, 6. So that means the next difference should be 36. 91 and 36, it should be 127. And 216 plus 127, it should be 343, which is 7 cube. Right? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Alphabet series. So they are regularly asking such type of question. You can feel the importance of series. You can feel the importance of both number series and alphabet series. You can feel the importance of that day calendar also. Right? Yes, triple difference means that 666. Okay, that is going to be 666 always. Right? Okay, let's see. So here, A, D, E. If you write the number, okay, just see. Yes, always. Pratham, it is always for all the exams. Right now, 1, then 4, 5, then 9, 10, 11. Okay, see, here the gap is 3. Here the gap is 4. Now gap should be 5. 11, 5, 16, 17, 18, 19. So starting with P, Q, R, S. So it should be P, Q, R, S. That is B option should be the correct answer. Right? Okay, so I hope you are getting. Yes, it was correct. Everybody. Okay, Pavitra, Nidhi, Dr. Basketball, Bug OP, Deepika, Vishwa, Vishwardhan, Light, Yagami, Ankita, Prince, Prachi. Okay, all correct. Yes. And keep sharing the session. Okay, let's move to the next one. Oh, so how many rectangles are there? Okay, just see how many rectangles are there, and squares are also rectangle. Okay, obviously all squares are rectangles, right? So how many rectangles are there? So I will tell in this question how to count rectangles, how to count squares, everything. So how to count that? Rather, when he asks how many rectangles, it is basically a question of maths, right? It was not a question of reasoning actually. Right, somebody was asking yesterday that how to count the figures. So I have taken this question, but this is a question of maths, right? Because counting a rectangle here in such figure is a question of maths, that is in a question of PNC, permutation combination, right? How? It is you are using, right, how many horizontal lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 horizontal lines. How many vertical lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7 vertical lines, you select any 2. Out of 6 horizontal lines, you select any 2. You will get, definitely you will get a rectangle. So these are the rectangles possible. So that is 7 into 6 by 2 and 6 into 5 by 2. So both 2 can be cancelled. So this is 7, 5, 35, 305 into 3, 315. Right? 315 should be the correct answer. Right? Actually, it is a question of permutation combination. It is a question of combination. Right? So you are selecting any 2 lines from vertical lines, any 2 lines horizontal. So any 2 vertical, any 2 horizontal will definitely give you a rectangle. Right? Every time, whenever you select any 2. Right? Let's say I am selecting this line, vertical, and this line. Let's say I am selecting horizontally this line and this line. So you will definitely get a rectangle. Just see that you are getting this rectangle because you selected this combination. Okay. Okay, Ishika, I have not taken a triangle. But okay, I will tell you. I will tell you how to calculate that. Right? Okay, let's say if these are all unit places. Okay. So as I told you, let's say first thing is if this is not there, if this column is not there, okay, only figure is up to this place, okay, this is the figure up to this place only, right? In between there are these lines. So it is a 6 by 6 square, let's say. So how many squares will be there? Right? I think I told you yesterday. 6 by 6, how many squares will be there? You can find it with sigma n square, which is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. You just put 6 into 7 into 13 by 6, which can be 91. But you can memorize this value also, 91, right? Okay, if you are counting the squares from total of square, you can just remember this value, right? Because in okay, let's say 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, you can count. In 4 by 4, there are going to be 30 squares, total of 30 square. 5 by 5, there are total of 55 square. 6 by 6, total of 91 square. 7 by 7, total of 140 square. And 8 by 8, total of 204 squares. Right? You can memorize these values also. Right? If you want. Right? Because this way you will become very fast. If that question appear directly, you can answer. Right? But let's say, so this is the formula also. I have told you the formula also. Right? If there is a complete square and out of that you want to calculate square. But let's say if this is the same is the question. Now you want to calculate the number of squares only, not the rectangle but squares only. And these are all small squares, right? The unit length is same. Okay, this length and this length is same. So here you have a total square of 6 into 7, right? Sum of squares. Yes, that was Ishika. This was the formula for sum of squares of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. Okay, so up to 1 square up to n square. Okay, now 6 into 7 is this the total square. So how to find the total number of square in such cases, right? If this is not a square initially, it is a rectangle actually. Okay. So total number of squares will be, right? How to find it? You will write 6 into 7, then reduce 1. 1 from here, 1 from here. Then again reduce 1. 1 from here, 1 from here. Again reduce, again reduce, again reduce. So further it will become 0. So add all, add all. So this will be 42, 30, 20, 12, 6 and 2. You add all. So 40, 30, 70, 20, 90 and 10, 100, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 10, 112. So total number of squares will be 112. Right? Total number of squares will become 112. Okay? Are you getting this? Okay, actually this is what was happening earlier also. When I took only 6 by 6, right, then it was 6 by 6 plus 5 by 5 plus 4 by 4. So you are reducing 1, 1, 1. But then it becomes squares. In that case, it was becoming a square. So you were adding 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 6 square. So that's why you were getting 91. Right? Sigma n square. Okay? Okay, let's move to the next one. And Ishika, you were talking about triangles, right? Here, I have not taken that. I can, okay, I would suggest you, right? Okay, otherwise we will take one more class. But there is a, uh, when was this? In June, I think June or July, there was this Maharashtra CET, right? MAHCET, Maharashtra CET exam 2021. When this happened, before that, right, in that exam days, Pranav sir took one video that is there on this channel only, right? That is for all the figures, right? That is a very good video. You can see that, the video by Pranav sir. Okay, just look for that and your all doubts will be cleared. Or otherwise, we will take the video, take the session again on the figures only, because that there are many variations. Okay, yes, counting figure topic. Otherwise, we will take again Okay, I may take that session, or I will upload the video, right? But you can just find Pranav's video counting figure, right? Counting figures. Just go through that and you will get that. Okay, Shika? Right? So let's move to the next one. Next one is Rimi was born on 3rd March 2012. Right? So Rimi का बर्थडे आने वाला है. Okay, Rima was born. Here it is Rimi, here it is Rima. Rima was born 13 days before Rimi. If Rimi was born on a Saturday, okay, so this was a Saturday. What was the day on which Rima born? Okay, this is very, very simple, super easy. Right, super easy. So it is a Saturday and now 13 days behind. So 30, going back 13 days. If you go back 14 days, it will be Saturday. If you go back 14 days, it will be Saturday. So before 13 days, it should be Sunday. It should be Sunday. Right? Why Saturday? It is on 3rd March 2012. Right? It was Saturday. Right? If Rima, okay, this is Rimi. Right? If Rima born 13 days behind, 13 days, right? If it is 14 days, it will be Saturday. But if it is 13 days, it should be Sunday. If the gap is 14 days, it will be Saturday again. So go back 14 days and then come back one day. So after Saturday, it will be Sunday. So from Sunday, the gap will be 13 days. Right? Okay, ऐसे number line draw कर लो. Let's draw a number line. Right? So here Rima born. Right? And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is Rima. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here it is Rimi. Okay, so this is Saturday. If this is Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here will be Saturday and Rima birth will be Sunday. Okay, I think this should be very much clear. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay, it should be Sunday. And now, clock also, they have asked question on clock also. Now, this is a very easy question, but I will tell you something about clocks. Okay, two arms of a clock come over each other in approximately how many minutes? So that is the meeting interval of two hands. Meeting interval of two hands of a clock. Minute hand and clock. Minute hand and hour hand. Right, the meeting interval is exactly 65 5 by 11 minutes. This is the exact time. But he is saying approximately, so you will mark 65, that is okay. Right, that you can think that after 12 o'clock, they are meeting at 1 o'clock, 1:05, approximately 1:05 they will meet. Right? But the exact interval is 65 5 by 11 minutes. That is actually 720 by 11 minutes. Right? The point is that at 12 o'clock they are together. Right? At 12 o'clock they are together. Right? Again at 12 o'clock they will be together for the 11 times. So their relative 11 circles would be there. Okay? How it happens? How it happens? Okay, I will just give you an idea. Okay, wait a minute. I've drawn very badly. Okay, just draw this only. 12, 3, 6, 9. Okay, so it would be something like this. This is your clock. Right? Now what happens? There are two runners, like two runners, minute hand and hour hand. They are running this race. Okay? So minute hand takes how much time it takes to one complete round? It takes 60 minutes. It takes 60 minutes to complete one round. Whereas hour hand takes 720 minutes. It takes 12 hours to complete one round, that is 720 minutes. Right? So the speed ratio, because time taken is in the ratio 1:12, so speed ratio would be 12:1. This is the speed ratio. Right? So from 12 to 12, the total, okay, let's say from 12 noon, okay, to 12 midnight, right? Our hand will travel only one cycle, one circle. But minute hand will travel 12 circles. Right? 12 बजे से 12 बजे तक आर हैंड तो एक ही चक्कर लगाएगा, बट मिनट हैंड उस टाइम में 12 चक्कर लगा देगा ना, 12 टाइम्स वो वहां पे आएगा. राइट? सो दैट मीन्स जब 12 सर्कल लगाए, देखो मीटिंग कब होती है? मीटिंग होती है जब उनके बीच में एक सर्कल का गैप हो जाए. राइट? जब आर हैंड ने जितना मर्जी चला है, मिनट हैंड उससे एक सर्कल ज्यादा चल ले तो मीटिंग होती है. मीटिंग होने का मतलब होता है व्हेन दे आर रनिंग इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. मीटिंग होने का मतलब होता है जब एक सर्कल का गैप हो जाए या इंटीजर नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स का गैप हो जाए. तो जब 2 सर्कल का गैप हो जाता है एग्जैक्टली, तब भी मीटिंग होती है. तो इनकी जब फाइनल मीटिंग होती है, जब स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट 12 o'clock था और फाइनल भी 12 o'clock है, तो फाइनल मीटिंग में इनका क्या डिफरेंस है? एक ने एक चक्कर लगाया, दूसरे ने 12 राउंड. एक ने 1 राउंड, एक ने 12 राउंड. तो डिफरेंस इज 11 राउंड्स. So that has to be 11th meeting. तो वो 11th meeting है in a total of 12 hours which is 720 minutes. तो 720 minutes में 11 meetings होती हैं. So that's why every meeting happens in 65 5/11 minute, which is 720/11 only. Right? If you divide it. Right? So that is the time interval because of their speed ratio. Right? I hope you are getting the reason of this also. Right? So their meeting happens when the difference in the distance traveled is integer number of rounds. Right? जब 1 राउंड का डिफरेंस हो जाता है तो पहली मीटिंग, 2 राउंड्स का डिफरेंस हो जाता है दूसरी मीटिंग, 3 राउंड का डिफरेंस हो जाता है तीसरी मीटिंग. सो जब पूरा चक्कर ये काट लेते हैं तब इनके बीच में 11 राउंड्स का डिफरेंस हो जाता है. दैट हैज टू बी 11th मीटिंग. सो इसका मतलब होता है कि वो 12 आवर्स में 11 टाइम्स मिलते हैं. Right? Okay. So can I now answer your one of other question? Right? Just remember this result. They generally ask in 12 hours or in 24 hours, that is 1 day. They ask question on this, that when the two hands will overlap, that is 0 degree, or will be opposite to each other, that is 180 degree. Right? 0 degree और 180 degree 12 hours में 11 times होता है. You can make this chart. ये जरूरी है. Right? This is one of the common question. In 12 hours they will overlap 11 times and they will be opposite to each other also 11 times. Right? In 12 hours. In 24 hours they will meet 22 times and they will be opposite to each other 22 times. That is 0 degree and 180 degree 11 times and 22 times respectively in 12 hours or 24 hours. But if you talk about any other angle, that is how many times they will have 60 degree, they will have 90 degree, right? They will make 90 degree, they will make 100 degree, any other angle other than 0 degree and 180 degree. In 12 hours, they will make 22 times, and in complete one day, that is 24 hours, they will make 44 times. Right? This is common question. Right? So you will remember this. Why this is so? Because in one circle, in one relative circle, right, that when you say 90 degree, then if you consider 270 degree also, that is also 90 degree. Right? If you draw 90 degree, right, the other side will make 270 degree. So when the one cycle means from 0 degree to 360 degree, all angles. So 0 degree to 360 degree, so 90 degree, right, in between it will make 90 also and 270 also. So in one cycle, they will make 2 times 90 degree. Right? But this doesn't happen for 0 degree, because 0 degree is 0 only. 180 is 180 only. That will happen only once from 0 to 3. Right? Okay? So just remember this, and you can answer these type of questions. Right? Next one. Okay? I think this similar question, this question we did yesterday also. Okay, do it again. Yes, you can answer this. He's saying his office door faces eastward. He walks out from his office back door up to 100 meter. Okay, great. Yes, this question is a repeated one in the exam also. Okay, let's see. So this is east. So that means he started from here, that is westward, moved 100 meter, then towards the right, and further walks further 100 meter and turned left. Okay, no, there is a change here. There is a change here. See, he walks further 100 meter and turns left and walk 50 meter. But the direction is same. The direction is same. Which direction has he reached now? Right? So, actually, it is from the starting only. Then you will say northwest. Right? Okay. There is a difference when he asked this question, right? अगर suppose करो, मैं suppose करो यही ask, ये question ऐसे ना पूछता, but इसकी जगह ये कहता in which direction he is moving now, right? What will be the answer? Right? Okay, don't take your directions. Answer, right, your direction. Which direction he is moving now? No, which direction he is moving now? It would be west. Right? It would be west. That would be the correct answer if this is the question. Right? Because he is moving finally in this direction, right, which is west. Right? Okay? See, what I want to tell you here is that suppose somebody says, okay, he is starting from here, right? Okay, this is the center. Now he started moving towards south, right? Then turned right, okay, left. Then turned right. Then turned left. Then again turned left. Now there may be two questions, right? One is that his final position, right? In which direction, right? He is from the starting point. He is from the starting point. right? Then I will say that he is in southeast. This is east, this is south. So he is in southeast, right? But if I ask that in which direction he is moving or he is facing now, okay, which direction he is facing now, then my answer would be north. Yes, Dikshit, I will take that. Dikshit, don't worry, I will take that. Now the answer will be north because he is facing north, right? The upper direction is north, right? Okay, great, very good, very good, very good, very good. And keep sharing and keep liking the session. Okay, share और like पक्का कर दिया करो session को. Right, this was the last question of the day. Okay, and now today onward there will be 3 sessions of Pranav sir on current affairs at 7 p.m. daily. 7 p.m. daily, right? Today, tomorrow, and day after, Pranav sir will take the sessions on current affairs, right? And that is very important, right? मेरे लिए तो मुझे तो लगता है I feel very important, right? These sessions because मेरी अपनी जनरल नॉलेज जो है वो काफी पावर्टी लाइन के क्लोज है, right? So I need such kind of capsules. Okay, and there is this CAT PI VAT program, okay, complete package for the second stage, selection stage, right? 3 mock interviews, 15 power pack session, 1 VAT correction, current affairs, resources, right? And personalized mentoring by IM mentors. Okay, so you can enroll for that if you are expecting a call for second stage or if you have got a call. Okay, now batch 5 CAT complete course CAT 2022, right? This we are already running. Okay, वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा, right? Rather generally algebra class, I think we are having all the sessions. We don't have this algebra session in this. Okay, I think it was a mixed session on maths, acing arithmetic by Saral sir. Okay, mostly they are asking, these are the actually important topics that we have taken. Okay, so last lap means important topics only. Okay, और like, comment, share पक्का करते रहें. टिसनेट इंटरव्यू राउंड सब प्रिपरेशन, उसमें सेकंड स्टेज का प्रिपरेशन कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन है. Okay, that second stage preparation, that is a complete program, right? That will include everything. Individual mock interviews are there, right? So if I am taking your interview, so I will, according to TISSNET, I will take your interview and I will give you the feedback, right? So that kind of 3 personal interviews will be there, right? That will be 1-to-1 interviews, right? On that Zoom sessions. Okay, Ishika, we are taking only the important ones because it is last lab, right? But you can still find sessions on algebra, right? On our channel, you can just look for sessions on algebra if you want to. But I won't suggest that you prepare anything new at this stage, right? You should only focus on, you should revise whatever you know. That will help you a lot. Okay, and you can join our Telegram channel if you have any doubt, right? You can put your doubt in that, right? And we will discuss that. Okay, you can follow us on Instagram, right? And do subscribe this YouTube channel if you have not, and press the bell icon also to get the notifications, right? And like our Facebook page, join Telegram channel for the doubt solving, for any discussion, right, regarding your MBA. Okay, and you can download the BYJU'S exam prep app from the Play Store. Okay, so see you in the next session. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste. Jai Hind. If you have any queries, okay, other queries, you can put it in the comment section of this video and definitely you will get reply, proper right reply for that. Okay, just put your any query if you have other than this, right, what we were doing today, right, you just put your queries in the comment section, right. We generally respond to all the queries, so don't worry about that. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste.